Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Have you ever wished you could speak English confidently, but didn't know where to begin? Well, today's video is perfect for you. This lesson is called How to Speak English in 30 Days. You will follow a story between two Japanese friends, Ken and Mina. Mina feels nervous about English, just like many learners. But with Ken's simple method, she discovers how anyone can begin speaking in just 1 month. In this story, you will learn what you can do surprisingly well and a clear, step-by-step plan that you can start using today. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. And remember, these skills are things you can do too. Are you ready to begin your 30-day speaking journey? All right, let's dive into the story.
I really want to speak English, but I don't know where to start.
Oh, what's wrong, Mina? You look a little stressed.
It's about English. I have to use it for work next month, but I'm not confident at all. I want to speak English in just 1 month, you know?
1 month, huh? I understand how you feel. I used to be just like you. I couldn't say anything in English.
Really, Ken? You speak so well now.
Yes, it took time and some effort, but I found a simple way to start. Don't worry, you can do it too.
Do you think I can really speak a little in just 1 month?
Absolutely. Let's talk about what's possible in 1 month. First, I want you to feel comfortable and relaxed. Learning English should not feel scary or too hard.
Okay, I feel a little better already. I'm ready to listen.
First, let's be honest about one thing. You won't become a native speaker in 1 month.
Oh, I know that. That's too much to ask.
Right. You also won't be able to have long, deep conversations with perfect grammar. And you probably won't understand everything in English movies or news. Fast speech is still very difficult at this stage.
That makes sense. So, complicated grammar and listening to fast speech are still difficult?
Exactly. We need a clear, small goal. That's the key to success. If we try to do everything at once, we will feel tired and lose hope.
I see. So we should focus on small, simple goals. That sounds much easier.
Yes, and small goals add up quickly. After 1 month, you will be surprised at how much you can do. But listen, in 1 month, you can definitely learn to do these things. 1, giving a short, natural self-introduction. 2, having light small talk when you first meet someone. 3, answering simple questions easily and quickly. 4, asking questions to keep the conversation going. This is very important. Many people forget to ask questions. And 5, talking about your day in just 30 seconds. You don't need long sentences, just simple, clear ideas.
Wow. A short self-introduction and talking about my day? I think I can do that. It sounds possible.
It is possible. We will focus only on these simple, useful things. We won't waste time on things you don't need right now. Ready to try a simple roadmap? I promise it's not complicated.
Yes, please tell me how.
Okay, here's my simple plan. I call it scene learning. First, you choose a scene or situation. For example, meeting someone new or ordering food at a restaurant. Second, you learn only 10 English phrases for that one scene. Just 10, not 100, not 50, just 10 simple phrases. Third, we practice a role play. You pretend you are in that situation. If you can't say something, we will learn a new phrase right then. We don't move forward until you feel comfortable.
Only 10 phrases per scene? That's really simple. But wait, Ken, who can I practice role play with? I don't have an English-speaking friend.
Great question. Here's a secret. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT.
ChatGPT? Really?
Yes, you can tell ChatGPT, I want to practice self-introduction. Please be a new person I just met at a party. Ask me questions. ChatGPT will respond just like a real person. You can practice anytime, anywhere, even at midnight.
Oh, that sounds so convenient. I can practice without feeling shy or nervous.
Exactly. And if you make a mistake, ChatGPT can gently correct you. It's like having a patient English teacher available 24 hours a day.
I love that idea. I'll try it today.
Good. Now, let's look at the 10 scenes we will master in 1 month. We will spend about 2 or 3 days on each scene, starting from the easiest. Don't rush. Take your time with each one. Here are the 10 scenes. Number 1, giving a self-introduction. This is always the first step. Number 2, talking about hobbies and favorite things. People love to talk about what they enjoy. Number 3, asking questions to keep talking. This helps you continue any conversation. Number 4, light small talk with a new person. Things like weather, weekend plans, simple everyday topics. Number 5, ordering at a cafe or restaurant.
This is very practical. You will use this often.
Number 6, shopping at a store or supermarket, asking about prices, sizes, and items. Number 7, asking someone for a favor, like asking for help or requesting something politely. Number 8, talking about today's events, what you did, where you went, how you felt. Number 9, asking for or giving directions, how to get somewhere or how to help someone find a place. And number 10, simple handling of a small problem, like when something is wrong or you need to explain a mistake.
Wait, 10 scenes? That's so many.
It sounds like a lot, but we have 30 days. 2 to 3 days for one scene is easy. You have plenty of time. By the end of the month, you will be able to speak in all 10 situations. Imagine that. You will feel so proud of yourself.
Wow. Okay, I feel better now. I want to start.
That's the spirit. Let's not wait. We can start right now with the first scene.
Great. Let's start with the easiest one. Self-introduction. We only need 10 useful phrases. This is the most common situation. You will use this many, many times in your life. Okay, try to say this. Hello, my name is Mina. Nice to meet you.
Hello, my name is Mina. Nice to meet you.
Perfect! You said it clearly. Your pronunciation is good. Now, let's add where you work. Try this. I work at a company in Tokyo.
I work at a company in Tokyo.
Good. You did it. Now, let's ask about the other person. This shows interest and keeps the conversation going. What about you? Where do you work?
What about you? Where do you work?
Good job. It was a little slow, but you said it clearly. That's totally fine. Speed will come naturally with practice. See? You can already do a simple self-introduction. You just spoke 3 useful English sentences.
I did it! That was actually fun. I can remember 10 phrases.
Yes, and we will practice this 10 times today until it's super smooth. By tomorrow, you won't even need to think. The words will come out automatically.
10 times? Is that enough?
Yes. Repeating something 10 times in one day is very powerful. Your brain will remember it much better than studying for 1 hour once a week. And here's a tip. Say it out loud. Don't just read it silently. Speaking out loud helps your mouth remember the movements.
Okay, I will practice out loud 10 times today. I'm excited.
And remember, you can also practice with ChatGPT tonight. Just tell it to be a new friend at a party.
I will. I can't wait to try it.
Hey, Mina. It's been a month. How have you been?
I've been good. Actually, I've been practicing the 10 scenes a lot, every single day.
Nice. Do you want to show me how much you've improved?
Yes, I want to try. Can we start with a simple greeting, like we just met?
Perfect. Okay, let's pretend we're meeting for the first time. Ready? I'll be a new person you just met at a party.
Ready. Hello. Nice to meet you. My name is Mina.
Nice to meet you too, Mina. I'm Ken. What do you do for work?
I work at an office in Tokyo. I like my job. What about you, Ken?
I teach English. So, what did you do today?
Oh, today I woke up early. I went to a new cafe and drank coffee. It was a good day. How about you? What did you do?
I went for a walk in the park. The weather was beautiful.
That sounds nice. I like walking too.
Wow, Mina. You talked about your day, and you even asked me a question. You are speaking so naturally now.
Thank you. I practiced with ChatGPT almost every night. It really helped me.
That's wonderful. ChatGPT is a great practice partner, isn't it?
Yes. At first, I felt a little strange talking to a computer, but after a few times, it felt very natural.
I'm so proud of you, Mina. You worked hard every day. That's the secret to success.
I feel so happy right now. I never thought I could speak English like this in just 1 month.
You can, and you did. Just remember, small steps every day. Focus on real situations. Practice out loud.
And use ChatGPT.
Yes, exactly. With these simple steps, anyone can start speaking English in 1 month.
I want to keep learning. I want to try more difficult scenes now.
That's the best attitude. When you finish the basic 10 scenes, you can add more. The sky's the limit.
Thank you so much, Ken. You changed my life.
You changed your own life, Mina. I just showed you the way. You did all the hard work.
I'm ready for my work meeting next week now. I feel confident.
You will do great. Good luck, Mina.
Thank you, Ken. I'll do my best.
How was it? I hope today's story showed you that speaking English doesn't have to be scary, and that real progress is possible in just 30 days. Today, you learned a simple method. Focus on real situations and practice through short, repeating scenes. If you follow this plan, just like Mina, you will feel more confident every day. Now, I have a question for you. Which scene do you want to practice first? Self-introduction? Ordering food? Small talk? Tell us in the comments. I always love reading what you write. We make slow and clear English videos every week to help you learn step by step. So if you want English to become part of your daily routine, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing a little every day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.